Guys, a bird just hit my window. Look. We can't. Hold on. So bright out. Hold on. I'll go show you. A bird literally just. Shoes on. Make sure the dogs are inside. And they are. Oh God. He just hit my window. Oh, he's alive still. He's right there. Just chilling. Hey, buddy. Hey. You okay? Get on the stick. Come on, fly. Fly away, fly away. Come on. Okay. Get off. Oh, get off. I'm gonna feed it some food. I don't see anything. Let's check my snack bin. Hold on. I don't know what to feed it. He's just chilling. My guy literally just should I touch it? I might regret this, but it's for views. Never mind, I'm not gonna touch it. What else should I use? That stick? Look, he's just right there. He be chilling! Get over here. Get on. Come on. Get on. Get on the stick. Get on the stick, you stupid bird. Oh! Get off the wall. Get off the wall. Oh! There he goes. Oh!